Hi, this is Wanda. I'm at 785 Little Hurricane Trail in Monterey, and this is the view from the porch to the barn. So the barn is directly across, and you can see the pan to the left. You have a beautiful pond over here, shade trees and open pasture. Right, goes over here. Beautiful deck, large deck, very wide. Um, she has dogs, so she has a barricade put up here where they can only go in a certain portion. So this, you can use this if you want. You can take it down, and you have some field back here, little yard. So if you have dogs, um, you can. There's a lot of things set up for them too. So coming back around, here's your barn again. We'll go look at that in detail. And she actually, the owner has one stall that is set up for minis. It's just one, but she does have one for minis.
She has cameras in every stall so you can watch them from the house.
Oh, good. Okay. She has cameras in every stall, so you can actually watch them from the house and see that they're safe and secure. Okay, over here is your driveway, and it goes all the way up to the barn, of course, for um, maintenance and things that you need, bringing hay in. Okay. You have a beautiful parking area. Looks like a banana plant.
Yeah.
Wow. You got a gorgeous banana plant. I haven't seen one in a long time. Okay. Beautiful landscaping. Everything's green around here right now. It's a beautiful day. Over here you've got a bridge that goes to, bridge goes to what?
It's just on the other side of the land.
Oh, okay. Is it a little creek or?
Little decorative item.
Oh, okay. So you have a little decorative bridge over there. Okay, and then we're going to. I didn't get you in the shot. All right, so here's your log home. Here's your details of the logs. Dovetail, right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice big windows. These are, let's see, the oversized windows. And they have, looks like they have plantation blinds. Okay. Large windows here. Plenty of light that comes in the home. You've got ceiling fans up here. And we're gonna go in and then we'll come back out in a little bit. Okay. When you step in the front door, you're in the living room. And this is an open concept. So this is it to let you see. The ceilings are very high. They are, let's see. Okay. I'm not sure how high they are. I'd say probably 18 feet. The wood, I like the wood is a little different than some log homes. Some log homes, it's very kind of darker and orange. And the wood is pretty, but when you're in a darker orangey kind of room, it's a little hard. This wood is very pleasing, very easy on the eye. Okay, this is your dining area. Room for a beautiful china cabinet. Your cathedral ceiling again. The owner decorated everything. It's done up really nice. I don't know that she's willing to leave anything, but if you see something that you just must have, we can always ask. Okay, so here's your kitchen. I think it's a Whirlpool dishwasher. plenty of drawer space and cabinets. A nice stove. It's a glass top. Sorry. Okay. Here's more cabinets up here. You overlook. Oh, here's your fridge. It is a linear compressor with the on a very high-tech panel. You have water, of course, in the door and ice in the door. Lots of cabinet space, and these are very very deep cabinets. So you see all over here. You have a beautiful mantel, and your fireplace is, let's see, fireplace. Okay, I think this is an electric fireplace. Yeah, I believe it's an electric fireplace. It doesn't look like it has gas. It doesn't look like it has gas. I will check on that for you. Room for whatever you want to put here. They have a beautiful statue. Okay. All right, this is the master bedroom. We won't be going in the master bath. It's beautiful, but the owner has all of her makeup out, and she really is kind of private about that. So, but they assure me it's beautiful, and I'm sure it is. Okay, this is your master bedroom. High ceilings. Probably 9 foot. Plenty of room for a king-size bed plus some. And you can go over here to the window in the bedroom, and you can actually see the barn right here. So all around the front of the house, you can actually see the barn from there. So that's safety and security for your little minis. Okay, that would be your master bath in there. Okay, a very large deck. This is back through the living room, the kitchen area. Have the doors open easily. Hi. Hi, big baby. What you doing, sweetie? Okay. Oh, hi, little one. The owner of the house does some dog rescue. So these are a couple of her rescue dogs. And you can see out there, she actually has this is a dog area. Hi, sweetie. So this is your big deck. It's comfortable for the bathroom. Okay. We have a dog safe gate out here. We have a spa here. I think this is a hot tub. We didn't talk about that. Okay. In here, you have the garage, and it's set up for the dogs. It's very clean. Hey, you like the dog, don't you? She's barking at you. Okay, so here, have the old farm style metal. Hey, honey. Okay, the dog beds are out here. And there's hi, baby. Oh, here's sweetie. Okay, you have a little freezer in here. This is equipment for the dogs and some, yeah, this is not horse equipment. This is the dog equipment, the dog harnesses, things like that. This inside is really beautiful. Hi, sweetheart. Aw. Okay. When you go over here, we'll catch this while we're outside. This is back to the parking area, and you can see the big 2 or 3 banana plants. I haven't seen any since I lived in New Orleans, so it's nice to see. Um, okay. All right. So you're gonna love the downstairs too. I've already been down there just to open up things and. Oh, okay. You have a laundry room in there. Hey, baby. Hey, you have a doghouse. I don't think that, or I guess it could be. You could probably make that into a chicken house if you wanted to. It's kind of small for a chicken house. Okay. Oh, come here, come here, honey, come here. No. Oh. Hey, come on. Sorry, the dogs got out. I was coming in the door and they came in by me. Okay. Come on. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, sorry about that. Kind of freaked me out.
Come on, peanut butter and jelly. Come on, want to get in your bed? Get up there. Hurry up. She won't hurt you if you're in your bed. Okay, I'll get these out.
Okay.
Come on, boy.
Sorry about that. I didn't blame
No,
that.
it's okay. Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bubba.
All right. All right. So here is a bathroom upstairs. One of your bathrooms. You have 2, 3. I'm sorry, 3. So here is your. Is it okay to go in here? Okay. Beautiful vanity. Feels like quartz. I'll double check. A beautiful shower, tub enclosure, toilet. Okay, this is another bedroom. Nice and roomy. Beautiful ceiling fan up here. Okay. Okay, you have a nice large closet. Plenty of room for hanging things, folded things. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs to the basement area. It's not like any basement I've ever seen. It's totally finished out. And I did find, now we know where the barn is, and then here, your barn is gonna be that direction. So this is what the basement looks like. Complete living area. Okay. Bedroom over here, a little office area. The owner is a decorator, so she has things decorated really well. Plenty of room. Your walls are concrete block. This would be a good place to stay in a bad storm. We're lucky up here because we're on the Cumberland Plateau, and literally we're on the top of one of the Cumberland Mountains. So being that we have a high elevation of about 1,500 feet above sea level, we don't get, of course, hurricanes that come through on the East Coast. We don't get those. We're too far inland. We don't get them from the south. We may get rain, like the residual bands that come through. We get some rain from it and maybe some blustery wind, but we don't get any damage from it. So you have a complete kitchen down here. Oh, I don't see a fridge. Okay. You have a place that you could put it. And this is your kitchen area. Bedroom area. Okay, the listing agent told me that the part of I'm sorry, the air conditioner is behind this wall, and I'm sure it has a plus panel from the outside that repair people can get in. But it is, all that is hidden by the nice wall. Okay, you do have a walkout right here. Concrete coming up to it. You literally could, if you have guests, they could park the car up here and walk straight in the downstairs door. Lots of space. Okay, this is the downstairs living room. So you can get some ideas from what she's done to what you might want to do. Very big area. It's temperature controlled down here, of course, so it's very comfortable. And I love the little accents that she's done. She's got a polar bear coffee table, so you could come up with something that you have. I'm sure you would have enough to things that you want to put down here. There's also furniture stores. If you need to buy furniture, there are furniture stores in Cookville, which is about an hour away. And then you also have Knoxville and Nashville that are accessible via I-40. Here's a very nice bathroom. This is like the old-fashioned restroom. It has a couple of nice chairs, furniture in here, a beautiful vessel sink, toilet. Okay. Tub surround. So that's a stand-up tub with a handheld sprayer. Sorry, can't think of words this morning. So you can put whatever kind of furniture you want down here, make it your own. And if you go down a little further, you have 2 more bedrooms. So this says 3, but it actually has more, and it has to do with the septic tank, how many bedrooms the soil perked for, is what they call it. And so if it perked for 3, that's all they can put. But actually, I think it has 1 more. You can see this area is highly influenced by the horse culture. And I love this one, fluent neigh, spoken here. That's cute. I'd like to have one of those. So they have beautiful equestrian designs all around. So this just kind of shows you what you can do with it if you want. I have no idea if she would be willing to leave any of this, but if you fall in love with it, we could always ask her. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms. Down here, here's the other. This actually has 3 bedrooms just on the lower level. Plenty of room. There's a large chest over here. And still plenty of room. This looks like a queen size bed. Okay. Beautiful. This is really interesting. Lights in a cage. It's pretty. And over here, this is a closet. They have a chair up against it. Look, it's a closet. So. Okay, there's another closet, big closet. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, light just come on here. You can see how deep this is. You can store a lot of things in here. Okay. If you like this house and you end up buying it, the seller is negotiable on the possession date. So you could say, well, she might say, I'd like to have 2 weeks after closing to get all my things out. I'm not really sure, but that's something that we can negotiate. So This again is a panorama of this room. Very large spaces. This is a total of 3,200 square feet, I'm sorry. There's your stair. Okay. Have room for a big farmhouse table down here. Okay. So I'm going to go back upstairs and then we're going to go out and look at the barn. I'm sure you've been waiting for that. So I hope your minis are doing well today. I told the owner that you have 8 of them, and she's like, "Oh my goodness!" She loves them. Who wouldn't? I'll have to dig out some pictures of my mare and her foal or her filly, and send them to you. They're very pretty. Okay, all right, we're back upstairs, and I think, let's see what's the best way to go out to the barn. Looks like the other side. Oh, here's the, I'm sorry, I got turned around. I'm not sure I videoed this room. This is such a big house. Oh, here, okay. I showed you from the outside. And this is your laundry area. Very nice. And your appliances, these don't come with the house, but like I said before, everything is negotiable. And if you really need them or want them, we might ask that they either stay, or if you make a really good offer, maybe that they stay without cost, or that you could purchase them from them. I don't know what would happen. And then we're back over here at the garage area. That's for the dogs. So to give you some orientation there. Okay. And when I saw this picture, I knew she had dogs. I'm sure you. I don't think I ever asked you if you did, but this place is set up not only for horses but for dogs. And she told me that there are trails that you can ride your quarter horse. You can also there's Yes, I'm done inside.
Good job.
Uh-huh. All right. Go out and see the barn.
That's absolutely.
Okay. It's so gorgeous.
I do want you to see the mini stall in the barn
Okay.
before, and that there's security cameras in the stall.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm going to include that in the video.
I'm sorry.
Oh, go ahead and go.
Okay. All right. That's okay.
We'll do that.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you don't have to move. I'm just keeping it. Okay. Oh, she's gonna love that she has where access to the barn.
Yeah.
Where she can hear them at night if a commotion starts.
On the phone.
Yeah.
You can even have an alarm. Here's the system.
Oops, sorry.
I'm sorry, honey. Wise.
Oh, okay. Oh, I have
That's
one of
the name
those.
the
Yeah.
company, and
Cool.
they monitor it too. So if you miss something at 24 hours a day, they're monitoring it for me.
Uh-huh. Are these some of your rescues?
No, all my rescues are.
Oh, they're cute.
I have a rescue there. So this here